Hello friends, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's make this very hot and very tasty sweet corn chicken soup. This is so delicious and super easy to make. All the ingredient list is given in the description box. Please check it out. Before we move on, click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. Let's start with making the chicken stock. Add in chicken with bone, 1 onion, garlic, pepper and salt, and add in 1 liter of water and allow it to boil for around 25 minutes. Now our chicken stock is ready. Take out all the chicken pieces from the stock and strain the chicken stock and keep it aside. Now into another pan add in butter, and once it is melted, add the white part of the spring onion, finely cubed carrots and finely sliced beans, and saute it for a couple of seconds. Now add in corn and corn paste. This is some corn which I have taken and grind it with some water and just add into this mixture. Now add in 500 ml of chicken stock. Now mix it. Now let's add in the corn flour mixture. If you want your soup to be more thick, you can increase the quantity of corn flour. Now add that into the soup and mix it. Add in some pepper powder and mix it. Now let's make the egg drop into the soup the restaurant style. For that, take 2 egg whites, beat it really well, and pour that into the boiling soup little by little and stir it immediately. The egg whites will get cooked in the boiling soup. Now add in the cooked chicken which we used to make the chicken stock. You have to separate it from the bone and add it. At last add some green spring onion and mix it. Our delicious sweet corn chicken soup is ready. You can serve the soup with some more spring onion on top. So definitely try this recipe and enjoy the sweet corn chicken soup during this beautiful monsoon. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. You can watch more interesting videos from our channel Grey Pot. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.